Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today let's discuss how to get free gifts on AliExpress. Let's open AliExpress and see what I've got here. First of all, let's talk about the section that is called free gift right here at the homepage. This is a special area on AliExpress where sellers offer you products for absolutely free. So here you can see items that are marked as free. And the concept is that you have to pick 2 items and pay for the third item. Let me show you how it works. So I'm adding 2 products to my cart, and the last step will be to shop one more item to get those 2 items for free. Okay, so now let's proceed to checkout page, and you will see that I've got my 2 items for absolutely free, and the third item I have to pay for it. So if I go to my summary, I will see that originally I would have to pay $8.23, but I will pay $2.89. So this is a really nice way how you can save your money on AliExpress. And the second way how you can get free items on AliExpress is by going to section that is called Freebies and Reviews, but actually on my device it's called in a different way. But anyway, this is section in the AliExpress application where sellers can give out your products for $0, and in return you agree to leave review for that items. So it's basically like a product testing. So here you can see items that have been put up for this freebie giveaway, and I highly recommend you to stick to offers with fewer applicants, so that you just will avoid this competition. So you can see, for example, for this item 8 people applied, and for this one 2 applied. So when you decide which exactly item you want to order and later review, you just have to press this orange apply button and confirm all the terms and conditions, then wait until you've been selected, and basically receive your item and give it a review. So yeah, that were the main points how you can get free items on AliExpress. I hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.